Bitcoin and Ethereum rising so much, and there's a big chance that Bitcoin could reach to 130 and Ethereum could reach to 4,000. Let's discuss what could be the next where we exactly can take a trade. As always, few words about previous analysis that I shared with you yesterday, and what I did, I shared with you that I expect some pullback, some stop loss hunt on BTC, and after that significant rise. And after that, I shared with you all my plans regarding Ethereum. After that, I shared with you my plans regarding Ripple that I expect also rise continue. Let's discuss with details before I ask you to follow me on Telegram, because you will get every update about crypto market. Plus, everyone who will join will get free masterclass from us how to start trading properly and avoid losses. About BTC, a beautiful rise. Let's discuss why rise at this moment going on and what we expect the next. Main reason, because we have this beautiful range, price in a range, and broke that range. You must remember always that when we have a trend, the bigger chance trend will continue. About BTC, price started this beautiful move at bottom. Here at bottom, price started this beautiful move. And at this moment, all of this range for 63 days, it was simply a stop before trend continue. And at this moment, we have this trend continue. And what's our target? What's our target? Let's discuss it. But before, what would be exactly our entry ideas at this moment? First, right now, I advise you, don't even think about any reversal until it actually happens, because such movements can be for quite significant period of time. Pay attention to every previous pump that we had on BTC. In terms of days, like this previous pump, it lasted until this high 21 day. Also, for example, this pump since this bottom until top, it lasted 51 days, until at least first significant pullback 42 days, until this first range 24 days. When price create real breakout, it could last for at least 2-3 weeks. Like here, since its bottom, it did 14 days. That's the reason why at this moment I advise you to follow this trend, and best what you can do during such trend is to wait for any kind of consolidation and take a trade. What would be exactly my entry ideas that I shared within community? My major idea, in the case of local range, to take long trade. That's it. I don't look for any reversal. If there would be any short ideas, I skip them because it would be against the trend. My major goal is to follow the trend only. And at this moment, we have beautiful uptrend. That's why any range, we use it as opportunity for continue. What would be the best example for me if something like stuff that had happened on Ethereum would happen here, like this one. When Ethereum started beautiful trend, what Ethereum after did? Range, pull, rise, range, pull, rise, range, pull, rise. Something like this is the best for me regarding Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's why at this moment I wait for a range. If range confirm, we take a trade. About short, I don't even think about any kind of short. What could be potential target for this entire move? Like major target, it would be a second way up. And if we calculate this second way up, like I think key resistance would be around 130, 135. It would be exactly second way up, where we definitely should start thinking about end of the cycle. That's why at this moment we still have a room for rise and just follow this trend. Let's go to Ethereum once more. Push like, follow me, and go follow in public Telegram. Every update, free signals, you will get exactly that. Plus, example for you about public Telegram. This plan about Ethereum potential rise. I wrote about it July 7th. You can see here. I shared it about potential rise, about potential breakout on BTC. Also shared here. About potential rise on BTC, I wrote for many days before, and you will be notified if you would be here with me. About Ethereum. Ethereum broke this entire range. On Ethereum, we have beautiful upward structure. We had good stop loss hunt in both direction. Beautiful. At this moment, after these two ranges, Ethereum accelerated. Honestly, after such acceleration, it is difficult to take a trade because at this moment, like price accelerated, and that's difficult because at any moment there could be some stop loss hunt. At this moment, I wait simply also for some local range to take entry for continue. Because from my point of view, everything looks like we will go with Ethereum maybe to this swing high or even until this entire high. That's why for me it's not surprise if we would reach one of this key zone. That's why once more, any kind of range, any kind of pullback, you can see even here when we had this powerful downward trend, what was the best places to take a trade? Price created a range high, opportunity for short, range high, short, deep pullback, short, range, swing high, short. Like the same here, deep pullback, long, range, long, bigger range, long. That's what we need to do at this moment on Ethereum. That's it. At this moment, we don't have a range because price accelerated, but soon it will appear. And soon we will take a beautiful trade for continue. That's it. That's why follow this trend until there would be a clear reversal. Let's go also to Ripple and Sui. Ripple also did beautiful rise with significant open interest rise. Ripple, compared to many coins, holds this value for so many days. Also, with bigger chance Ripple can go up, take the swing high. At this moment, in the case of range, we definitely need to take long entry. The same here on Ripple. We wait for range and take long. With bigger chance Ripple can go up, take the swing high or even more. That's why we follow up on Ripple. Sui, if you remember on Sui, I waited for here stop loss hunt, and after that rise, Sui did without it. That's why right now on Sui we also wait for something like it was here. You can see what price did, beautiful massive rise, and after that Sui did such range, and after that trend continue. That's why the same here. We wait for some range, and after that we will take entry with potential goal to take this entire swing high with a target 420. Around 320, a good place to take a trade. And Solana at this moment looks weaker compared to many other coins. On Solana, we have two plans: local range and take long, or stop loss hunt to 145. Also take long. Once more, my friend, when you have clear, powerful uptrend, you follow it. You never go against powerful uptrend. That's it. That's why at this moment I ask you to push like, follow me on Telegram, and watch this video lesson about our strategy on cryptos that always help us make money and will help you also become profitable. Have a good day. Bye.